This old woman was outside crying and begging his daughter to open the door. He could already see the massive tornado coming straight toward him. The wind was howling, the sky was getting darker, and he kept shouting, "Mia, please!" But his daughter didn't respond. She didn't open the door, not even once. He tried banging on it, screaming her name, nothing. And just when he thought it was over, something happened that no one expected. I'll show you, but before that, if you love money more than your mom, ignore this. But if you love your mom more than money, like, subscribe, share this video, and also comment heart emojis if you truly love your mom. Then the tornado carried him away.